Word Cash currently offers both free matches and cash matches through Skillz, with real-world prizes and head-to-head competition, making it one of the clearest options for people looking for word games connected to real money tournaments. By the end, you'll know 5 word games worth checking, which ones offer cash competition, and what to verify before spending anything. Number 5 is Word Cashin. Skillz lists free matches, cash matches, real-world prizes, and head-to-head play. Its current Skillz rating is 4.4 from 292 reviews. The format is straightforward. You solve word challenges and compete based on your score. Number 4 is Word Blitzwing. This is another competitive word game, built around fast word-finding gameplay. If you prefer short rounds rather than long crossword-style sessions, this type of format is worth checking. Before entering a paid match, verify that cash tournaments are currently available in your location. Number 3 is Word Domination. The game uses competitive word building rather than traditional casino mechanics, so your result depends on how well you play. It is a better fit if you want a multiplayer word game experience, rather than a simple single-player rewards app. Number 2 is Words with Friends. This is one of the better-known multiplayer word games, but you should not confuse popularity with cash payouts. Standard gameplay does not automatically mean that every match pays withdrawable money. If your goal is real cash, check the specific tournament or promotion terms, rather than assuming your points have monetary value. Number 1 is Word Cashin. The reason it takes the top spot is that the cash component is clearly part of the game's listed competitive structure. Skillz specifically identifies free matches, cash matches, real-world prizes, and head-to-head competition for Word Cash. There is one catch with the phrase, pay instantly. A game can offer cash prizes without guaranteeing that every withdrawal reaches your payment account instantly. Processing times, eligibility, and withdrawal methods can vary, so check the app's current cash-out rules before depositing. Also check the entry fee. A cash tournament isn't free, simply because the app itself is free to download. So the ranking is Word Cash at number 1, Words with Friends at number 2, Word Domination at number 3, Word Blitz at number 4, and Word Cash again at number 5, only if you're comparing different listings. Rather than duplicate an app, treat Word Cash as the strongest verified option from this group, and use the others as alternatives to investigate. Start with free gameplay, confirm cash match availability in your region, and read the withdrawal terms before paying an entry fee. If you want more ranked real money game apps, like the video and subscribe.